So how to fix Instagram black screen problem. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram black screen problem easy and fast. So to fix the problem, it's actually not that hard. All what you have to do is very simple. Just go open the Play Store and then search for Instagram. After that, make sure that you have the last version of Instagram. If you don't have it, it will show you this update option. Then you have to click on it and like this and wait a few seconds. After that, go to the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and enable the airplane mode and disable it again. Then go back and this time click on the apps, click on apps and wait a few seconds. Now on this page, scroll down until you find Instagram and click here on force stop. And that after that, all what you have to do now is restart your phone and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.